The second group of labyrinths, the Expansive Penta, is based on the pentagon and the archetype of number 5. Michael Schneider tells a story about the numbers 1 through 5. He says, 1 can relate to a point, as in a seed. 2 defines a line between 2 points, as in a stem. 3 can generate a triangle, now with an area, as in a leaf. 4 points can generate a tetrahedron, now with volume, as in a fruit. And 5 is the breath of life, the capacity of reproducing that cycle once and again, expanding all of what is. Really nice. Following an introduction to the Penta group. The pentagon and its 5-pointed star can expand and contract infinitely without external support, as if they had the growth genes within. No other polygon can do that quite as astonishingly. Furthermore, it's a fractal expansion, where we see the same figures despite if we zoom in or out. This is why, since antiquity, the archetype of number 5 has been considered to be expansion and life-giving, the breath of life, the greatest virtue of the cosmos. 5 is manifested in nature in many ways, and one extraordinary fact is that all fruit flowers have 5 petals, and some of those fruits even express their 5-ness. Additionally, the golden ratio is present, as seen in these pairs of lines throughout the pentagon and the 5-pointed star. Celebrated by artists, biologists, mathematicians, and authors of all sorts throughout history, the golden mean and its spiral are present in animals, insects, the human body, and more, from galaxies to seashells. Also included in this section is the Fibonacci Sequence, the counterpart of the golden ratio when wholes and not fractions are required. This series, in which each number is the sum of the previous 2, also grows from within, simply adding the 2 previous numbers. It doesn't need any external assistance, quite in the same manner that the pentagon grows due to its own geometrical elements. As it grows, the ratio of any 2 consecutive Fibonacci numbers approximate the golden ratio. It is prevalent in growth patterns and constituent number of elements in nature, such as the arrangement of a pine cone, branching in trees, the spirals in a sunflower, and the number of petals in many flowers, among many other manifestations. In other words, nature recurrently uses this sequence to create.